Welcome back again to my channel. If this is the first time that you are joining, I want to say a very big welcome. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve my vision board for 2021. The last time I drew my vision board, I'm telling you, most of the things I put on that vision board came to pass. So you know what, I told myself, why don't I try again and do a great vision board and even dream bigger, you know, for 2021. With everything that has happened in 2020, the pandemic, everything, I really just want 2021 to be different. And this is me just starting my year with a great positive mindset by doing my vision board. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be setting goals based on 7 important factors: health, faith, career, wealth, personal development, relationship, and my experience. It's so important. I set goals based on these 7 factors. It will help me just visualize what I want to achieve for that year. You know, setting a vision board will help you, and placing it in a place where you can often see it is going to help you just have short visualization every day, you know. And according to the popular book which I read, The Secrets, The Law of Attraction, it says the law of attraction is forming your entire life experience, and it is doing that through your thoughts. So it's important for you to visualize. The next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be looking for pictures. I'm going to go to Pinterest and check for pictures of some of the things that I have already written down for myself that I want to achieve. I'm going to be looking for pictures that I can easily visualize. So anytime I get to see them, I just know, oh, this is what I want to achieve. And then I'm going to be transferring them to a Microsoft Word so that I can be able to resize them for printing. So after I have done the printing, I'll start cutting them into the size that I want. I'll make sure that I cut them neatly. Here's how my vision board looks like. I'm going to be showing you how my vision board looks like. It looks a little bit big. I do like big vision board, so that was why I got something like this. And then I'm going to try to remove the back pins so that I can be able to remove the brown board and measure with the white board and cut it in a very nice square shape to put it back inside. So after cutting the whiteboard into the size that I want, I'm going to start putting the glue on the paper so I can place it on the vision board. What you'll be needing for the vision board is any kind of board that you can use, a scissors, a tape or glue, and you can also use like a phone marker, and you can use a magazine if you don't want to print it from a paper, or if you don't have to like go online. You can use a magazine if you want. And you can use quotes or saying. It doesn't have to be pictures, but for me, I just want to do a vision board that I can feel, that I feel like it connects to me. And give yourself 1 hour or 2 to put the vision board together. Remember, this vision board is a board that is going to stay for a year, so give it time. So guys, finally I'm through. So I'm going to be putting the glass part first, so that it's going to look really classy, and then I'm going to also put the vision board paste on top of the glass. So guys, our vision board is set. I love this vision board. It's a little bit more classy than the one I did before. I hope you guys can also try to do your vision board and share it with me, please.